Nothing. I'm not talking to you. Will you give me another hook? The fuck you looking at? How you know where it landed? I'm doing home repairs. Right now I'm going to show you how to put up a curtain hook there in the bathroom right there. I started out by taking out the other one. Now I'm going to put the other one back in right there. That's how we're going to do it. We're just going to stick her in the wall, take her drill. Right there. Yep. And we're just going to drill that motherfucker in there. Like such. Now if you come a little closer, we can show you what we're doing. Right there.
Don't shut that curtain. Don't turn it. I'll go out there on water room.
Do you want your granddaughter straight, motherfucker? Beggars can't be choosers now, can they? What? Shit. Right there, we can edit that out, can't we? Oh, we can't? No. Right there's what we did, right there. Then we did this one over here too. And that's me. That's our cameraman, and that's our boobies.